Sila po ay meron din agong or gong, the bigger one. The smaller one po, they call that santa. So the tribe they believe in the sounds of gong echoes in the mountain that they can communicate to the spirits of their ancestors. Now they're going to play those instruments that they call that set, basal. Okay, so dito ma'am sir, they don't dance para mag-entertain ng guests or ng mga visitors since ang mga tribal dances ay rituals po yun sa Grando. So they just dance na kapag mayroong ritual events katulad ng weddings, good harvestings, and prayers. Before mag-arrive ang mga modern na gitara dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ang Palawan tribe meron po sila 2-string guitar. Actually, yung gitara na yan, considered po siya as one of the first guitar here in the Philippines. They call that Kudjapi or Kudtungan. So now they're going to play a music. Yung particular music na itutugtog nila, it's a Bogit song, which means bird song. More of their music is all about nature.